Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install DirectX 12 on your Windows 11 machine. Now, the first way is probably the easiest way, and what you would do is you would go to your search bar, and in your search bar you would just type settings. There where it says best match, just click onto settings, and then you want to click on right at the bottom on the left hand panel. You want to click on Windows Update. Okay, that will load up, and currently for me it says you're up to date. Last check today at 11:29. But if it says that there is an update available for your Windows 11 machine, then you would want to download and install that update, because typically DirectX 12 is included within the update for Windows 11. If you want to double check, so you can close that. If you want to double check your DirectX version, you can go to the search bar. You can type run. Under the best match, click on run. And then you want to type in this DXDIAG or DXDIAG, and then click on OK. That will just load up for a moment. Okay, bypass this time, just click on yes. And right here it says DirectX version at the bottom there, 12. Okay, so if you notice that it says 11 or 10, you want to now close out of that, and we need to now install the DirectX manually. So what you would do is you would open up a web browser, and then you would simply go to Google, and then you would type and then you would type DirectX 12 web installer, DirectX 12 web installer. You would click on that, and then you want to click on this Microsoft DirectX End User Runtime web installer. You would click on that, and now you would scroll down and you would select English or whatever language that you want, and then you would click on download. I'm just going to save this to my downloads folder, and then click on save, and now you can see that has been completed. So now I can go and open my file explorer. I can go to my downloads, and there's the DXDIAG 12 installation file. So you can simply just double click on it. That'll open up. You just say yes. Then you say I accept the agreement. Let me just close that. You say I accept the agreement. You click on next. You don't need the Bing bar, so unselect that, then go next, and now it's initializing. And you just need to give that a quick moment. And so now you can see it's got a download size of 5.9 megabytes. You would click on next, and you can see it downloading right now. And then once it's downloaded the file, it will install the components. So now it's copying the files, as you can see. And that will finish, and now it's ready to and now it is actually installed. So you can click on finish, then go back to search, click on run, and then type DXDIAG, click on OK, and I'll just say yes, and there you'll be able to see that now your DirectX says DirectX 12. Okay, so if this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you next time.